All right, introduction. It is now fall and I am going on the road today. A lot has happened, but this is the beginning of my fall vlog. I'm about to go on the road today and get some things done, and I put myself together today. That's why I'm turning on the camera, because every other day I'm gonna turn it on. It's because I'm gonna get myself ready. So let's make moves. I won't call it a fit check. I'll put together check. Look. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's just a dress. I'm gonna put on a jeans jacket over it. Well, it's really a jeans button down, but it's going over it for a little. We might tie it if we decide to. I don't know. And this is a men's jacket, so it's kind of big. I mean, it's not like you do it all the time. Finally home. Had a long day. And now it's time to get ready for my, mom group session. This does not stand up. Okay. Alright, so I am working on my put together. Today I want to look put together. I don't have to. Yeah, what I'll usually do to record something since I'm dressed, probably. Yeah, that's how I sleep, with the hair up in the air. And I have swimming today. I'm also wondering if it's like cold outside. Look, it's fall, and then now, like I told myself, like I wanted to finish wearing all of my slippers and stuff in the winter. Outside seemed gloomy, so that means I could put on my Toms maybe. No sun, but I put on sunscreen soon. One of the only sunscreen I ever consistently used. So good. Just as a sunscreen face moisturizer, it all works. Alright, so I got the car, and I was like, let me get something to protect the seats then. So I got this. Oh wait, so I got this for AJ's I got him a new helmet for his skateboard for his birthday. Show you. So this, I hope this one fits his forehead and his head, because the other one didn't.
Oh, is that for his skateboard?
Yeah, so when he gets home, I'm gonna try it on and see if it fits him. Hopefully it does. He tried skateboarding over the weekend. Were you showing me something a while ago? Okay, so I was telling you that, since we get the new car, I just bought, a seat cover. It was $20 on Amazon, because I carry myself like the other one. This has to be maintained. So since I'm going to put the kids' car seat on it, I was like, let me get seat covers to protect the leather on the seat. And I got these. It's like, you lay it down. Only if they absolutely have to. Like, there's, only if they absolutely have to. But I got the seat covers. That's what the seat covers is for. If they eat in the car, the seat covers is there. Inside the car, it's just smaller than what I expected, but I'm gonna try it and see. I'm just doing little, and this is for the cup holder area. The other thing didn't come yet, but it's okay. It says it comes tomorrow. And then this was just random. I got this for I have a cup. Oh, I should show you my cup. Hold on. So I was blessed with this. I'm never there to get one, but I got blessed. Yeah, I got blessed. I got blessed with it. So I was like, all right, it's here. I'm not gonna not use it. And I put my little sticker on it, because why not? Like my habit, since my habit, just use it, right? But I got it as a gift, and I was like, well, it's purple. It's my favorite color. I got my Lilo and Stitch on the front, so it works for the car. And then since I got that, I got these. Wait, can you see? It's a straw cover. I got the influencer starter pack. Here's the thing though. What I will say, I didn't go crazy for it. I got it. And I was like, okay, it's cute. And I said, why not? So at first I used to judge them, like, why are you getting a straw cover for your thing, until I actually use it, and I was like, okay, I get why these people get a straw cover for the straw. But yeah, it works, but it's cute. I like it. Early in the day, I just we just drive his car, but yeah, they weren't having it. They were like, can we drive your car in the garage? I was like, okay, fine, let's drive that. They like it. I'm just gonna get another car. But I am going. My drive is already, but no forgot pick her up. So the first day, this is literally the beginning of my independent driving. But I don't know, for me, a new car means me I start over driving a little bit, just a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm hearing you through my car. Look! Me know you used to that, but me not used to that. I can see. I can. Oh, not you know say AJ come up through the side. I'm gonna go get Autumn, okay? That is. And yesterday I was like, so yesterday when I just drive it and I'm like, man, back out. Well, was it yesterday or this morning? And he was like, make sure you don't lick my car. I'm like, first of all, I always back out all the time. I'll lean. I'm never know I'm gonna lick your car. So I'm not lick a car today. Worst is the new car. I'm not licking your car. Pause that. Okay, so I just start the video that day. Today's my dentist day. I've been having teeth for you since I have kids. Since I've had kids, bare teeth problem, and may I do it over time, but I kind of did lay off of it for a long while. Even if you get some, you need a cap, and the teeth when you need a cap now, it's hurt me for some days now, in and out. So I was like, all right, me if you got a dentist and get this checked out and just get a whole exam, x-ray, see what's going on, and something that way we can get, you know, that way we can know how much money we have to spend to fix it and what are my next steps to make this feel better. But it is pouring rain outside. All right, it is raining, and you know, I haven't named it yet, but yeah, I have my umbrella and thing. That's the next thing. I always have my umbrella, so I'm good. So I use my umbrella, and I'm gonna. As a matter of fact, at 9:53, I'm up and come out here later. Okay, so I'm in my favorite. Okay, all right. I didn't close out when I came out of the dentist, but of course, them tell me everything we need to know. I just need to take the whole mouth and just replace it. Just buy a whole new mouth, cause at this point, I can't bother with it. Every other year, and I haven't been to the dentist in like 3 to 4 years, so you know, say I will leave a go on in there, and I'm gonna have to take care of that. And all I see and hear is ka-ching ching, a bag of money I forgot spend for take care of it. So I have to make another appointment, and then I'm going to another appointment, and then they're gonna tell me the same thing what earlier tell me, charge me, and then schedule the actual appointment for take care of the root canal. Another one that I need, you know, the root canal woman at Jamaica, they said it was done well, but I need a crown. So I forgot to get the crown. Now when we did at Jamaica, they told me I need a crown, but I just did not get the crown. So now I have to go sort that out. So yeah, we'll be, you know, come with me on my better feeling mouth journey, because Lord knows this is a journey. I don't know anybody else had children, and since I'm have children, it's like them tooth just not crying no more. That's the position I'm in right now. So this is going to be over a couple of months, probably a year, because I have to constantly go back and get all of these things sorted out. So yeah, I'm gonna have to take care of that. But yeah, I was out of the dentist office. It did rain. I'm not even able to take up my camera. I'm checking. So you know, I have the new car and stuff, so I need a little basket, a dollar store basket, to put some of like my something that I'm having in the back, like that, the Bounty, the just some stuff I'm having in the back. I need to get one little dollar store basket, but you know, and then I get the next dollar store basket for my daughter, because I should draw and color inside of the car. The seat cover has a little area where she can put her pens and crayons, but I get that so she can hold it and put it inside of it, because when I drive, you know, press the brakes and stuff, everything I drop all over the place, and no, it's a mess, you know. So I get her basket to put everything, so when it slides, the basket slides and not everything else. So yeah, I'm gonna pimp out my car with my dollar store items. All right, see you soon. Back in the car again. So I'm out. It's a rainy day. I'm out of the dollar store, and it's time to go fill my prescription. I got what I needed at the dollar store already, so It's prescription time. Let's see. Hopefully them antibiotics do what it's supposed to do, and then I can get home and I want to just be comfortable. It's raining. I just want to inside more and eat. I also still want to clean, but I have to make some lotion for the kids, so it's between cleaning and making lotion for the kids, and I'll just record it and post it on my business page. It's one of them two things. Either I clean or I make lotion for the kids. Plus I have to take out meat for cook, but no, I think I'll dinner cook today. He's gonna cook dinner today, but I'm still have to take out the meat and season it up. So yeah, let's do that. I'm just gonna get my medication and go. Too much rain fall for me and make a bag of stop right now. Actually, I was supposed to make a stop, a business stop. I don't know if I can manage it today with all of the rain because I'm going to drive way up there. So tomorrow, Wednesday, I'll see them tomorrow. So I'm going to handle that tomorrow. Yeah. Alright, I might pick this up back when I reach home or oh my god, a pharmacy. But so I'm definitely in the CVS trying to get my medication. And I just scroll until, because they're like, you can come back for it, but I'm like, 10 minutes? I can't do that. By the time I don't walk around and pretend to buy things over and I go buy because I don't need to be purchasing anything, they'll be finished. So I'm going to keep on and do that until it's time. I don't even know if I had recorded once I got back from CVS with my medication. It's 7 days, so I have to start taking it tomorrow. And I did get the 2 black lip liners. I'll show you them in the next clip when I get home. But now it's time for pickup, so I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna head home. I still didn't cook dinner, but I guess we'll cook once I get home. I was editing a vlog too. Ooh, exciting! I'm excited for the rest of the year. Big things happening. We're gonna speak it into existence. Real rich. Speaking it into existence. Okay, I feel like going forward our goal is debt reduction, not accumulation. So that's my motto for the rest of the year, along with something else. But yeah, so let's go do that. Alright, so I'm starting the medication today. Yesterday I'm going from the antibiotics. I was like, I didn't want to start it in the night. So, but I'm gonna drop off now. Once I finish drop off, I'm gonna come back. I guess I have to eat something with it, so I'm gonna eat something and then I'm gonna take it.